In this video, I will show you how to change instance type of EC2. On EC2 service, we can choose instance types, and there are a lot of instance type that we can use with different architecture, with different memory and different virtual CPU. I have logged in to my account on Amazon Web Service, and right now we are in EC2 service in instance menu. Right here we can see that we have one instance, and right now its state is top. Or when we change the instance type, this one, we have to stop the instance. To start again, we can choose start instance. Okay, when instance is stopped, we can change instance type from action and instance setting. We can go to menu, change instance type. Right here we can choose another type of instance from micro to small, and we just hit apply to change the instance type. You can see right now the instance type is T to small, which is bigger, and also the price is bigger. That's it. How to change the instance type. Don't forget, after we change the instance type and the instance state is stop, we can run it again from instance states and start instance. We hope this video is useful, and see you on the next video.